Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money on Minecraft. Let's begin. Now, for those who are new here, Minecraft is a sandbox video game that allows players to explore a blocky, generated 3D world where they can gather their resources, craft items, build structures, and engage in various activities. Now, for you to be able to create money playing this game, alright, it will involve leveraging its large player base and community-driven ecosystem. Alright, one of the best ways is to develop a custom plugins, alright, that adds new features, functionality, or content to Minecraft. Now, you see, you can sell this plugin modes through a platform like Bookit or other Minecraft community forums. Now, you see, you can always go to the marketplace and dive into the worlds of the Minecraft, wherein you can play 150 pieces of exciting content for one low monthly price with marketplace pass. All right, now in this instance, you can offer customization services or premium versions of your plugins mods for a small price. All right, you can add fresh content added every month, and there's always something new to play with the marketplace pass. All right, you only have one subscription, endless adventures, and that's gonna be for the other players that wanted to have a different plugins and mods for their characters. Now, the next option that you can explore is running a Minecraft server. You can simply host and manage a Minecraft server where players can join and play together. All right, you can charge players for access and in-game perks for a special feature, and of course you can accept donations or set up a subscription model for ongoing server maintenance and improvements. Now, you see, when you go to the Minecraft Legends right here, these are going to be an option for you to create and design custom maps. You can design and create custom maps or adventure maps for Minecraft and sell these maps on platforms like the Minecraft Marketplace again here. All right. Now, when you sell these maps on these platforms, or through your own website if you have one, and offer personalized map making services for individuals or server owners looking for unique content. You see, these are going to be the add-ons that is being sold right now in the marketplace. You can get mine coins from in-game mines or explore the ever-growing catalog in the in-game store, exchange your mine coins for your favorite creations, and a lot more. You see, if you want to explore the Minecraft, there's a lot that you can search here. There are literally gems and golds here on the market on Minecraft Marketplace. It's free, but of course, one of the servers might pay you if you create custom and design maps or adventure maps for Minecraft. Not only that, the next option that you can go into is, now, Twitch is a popular platform for you to create engaging Minecraft gameplay videos, tutorials, or live streams, and you can monetize your content through and revenue and sponsorships, donations, and subscriptions. All you're gonna do is build steadily and slowly a dedicated audience and leverage the affiliate marketing or merchandise sales related to your Minecraft content. Now, you see, you can always go to the top live channels or the most viewed channels here or on Twitch to get an idea on how they do it. Basically, you get the best out of the bad, and when you do that, you would be able to grow your audience and earn and monetize your platform to Twitch. Not only that, you can also use the YouTube platform and create engaging YouTube tutorials, reviews, gameplay, strategies, or live streams here as well. You can monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorship like Twitch, donations, and subscriptions. And again, like Twitch, you just need to build a dedicated audience and leverage the affiliate marketing or merchandise sales related to your Minecraft content. All right, don't be afraid to explore the possibilities of creating a audience here in YouTube platform as well. Now, the next platform that you can explore to earn money in playing Minecraft is this platform called Redbubble. All right, you can sell Minecraft related merchandise and design and sell merchandise such as t-shirts, posters, stickers, or other items featuring Minecraft themed designs. All right, all I'm gonna do is, for example, upload a new work, follow requirements, and they recommend this design. So let's do that right now to give you an idea. Now you see, all I'm gonna do is create something like this one. You can tag 15 information and description. All right, it's up to you. And this is going to be the standard print clothing, large print clothing, hats, chiffon tops, and a lot more. You see, there's this platform called Redbubble is a very good platform for you to design your online store to sell merchandise to the Minecraft community. Not only that, you can also do that in this platform called Etsy. So like Redbubble, you can set up your online store to sell merchandise to the Minecraft community, design and sell merchandise such as t-shirts, posters, stickers, or other items featuring Minecraft themed designs. And what better way to sell that in the Minecraft community? None other than the official Minecraft Discord server. They have like, imagine, a staggering 1.4 million active members and users in the community. Imagine if you're endorsing and promoting your Minecraft related merchandise on Redbubble and Etsy. Of course, you can earn money in selling your merchandise in their online store. All right, don't be afraid and start doing it right now. Now, if you're if you own a Discord server or a channel, you might want to make sure that your members can also avail your services, especially with the Minecraft related merchandise that you are selling. Don't be afraid and have the courage to do that. The next option that you can explore is Gold Patreon. You can offer tutoring or coaching sessions to teach Minecraft skills such as redstone engineering, building techniques, or game strategies. You can provide one-on-one lessons or group workshops through the platforms like Patreon and Discord, all right? Or any dedicated Minecraft tutoring websites. And of course, one of the best option or platform that you can also join is the Planet Minecraft. All right, you can create and sell Minecraft skins and textures, design and create custom skins or texture packs for Minecraft characters, mobs, or environment. And of course, you can sell these skins or texture packs through platforms like the Minecraft marketplace earlier, and of course here in Planet Minecraft, or if you have your own website. All right, and of course these are just examples of how individuals or groups can potentially make money within the Minecraft ecosystem. Of course, success depends on creativity, dedication, and engagement with the Minecraft community to build a reputation and attract customers or viewers. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.